Yeah, one thing about domain business is you will always get your investment back. It doesn't matter how much you spend, how much you invest in it, you will always get your investment or your capital back. But it is Hey guys, welcome to the first video on domain flipping business. My name is Victoria. I'm starting this channel to teach you how to make money online. Different money, online money, projects, jobs, etc. Then also I'll be giving you tooth videos, tips, Fiverr, everything that has to do with you starting a profitable online business and maintaining it. So let's get started. Now the first video will be on domain flipping. I'll be introducing it. Now domain introduction. Domain name flipping business is one of the online businesses you can actually make money from. You can really make money from domain name flipping business. Out of all the online businesses you could actually venture into, domain name business is one of them that actually fetches you money. Now domain name flipping business is simply the selling of expired names that have expired, that are not in use. Either they were dropped by the owner, or the owner failed or forgot to renew it, or brand names like business name. Someone actually needs to start a business, like when you have someone starting a new business and they need a brand name, you could actually flip a domain name for them. So it's actually buying of a name, then reselling it. It's just like in real estate, whereby you buy a home, then you flip it in the market. So that is what domain name is all about. Now domain name is all about the name, nothing more. Just the name in its extension, nothing more. It is not about the social media account. You don't have to have the social media account associated with the name. You don't have to have a website for the name, although this actually increases the value market, but you don't need to have them. Okay, you don't need to have them. The more of it, it is one of the oldest online businesses that could actually add to your pocket. Like, I think I heard about domain flipping as far as 2009. That's 2009. And the thing is, I know it might have been around before then. I know if you go through some thread, you see dates dated as far as 2005, like that. So it could actually add to your pocket when you sell names. Like, you get more to your pocket, to your money, to your savings, to whatever you need money for, or take out of it if you are losing money. It is easy to start up, little skills required. Yeah, you learn along the way. You just don't start a domain flipping business today and you're already a master. It's not possible. There are a lot of trials and errors. You have to start with the little skills you have, then along the way you learn. No one is going to teach you all about domain flipping in a day, and you can't get it in a day. You can really make a great return on investment with this business. Yes, you can get a domain name for $2 for as low as $1 and sell it for $2,500. Yeah, you can really lose a lot, lose a lot of money, a lot of money when you start. Like, when you're starting, if you don't have the hand of it, you don't know about it, you are just buying names, no research, nothing, you are actually going to lose a lot of money. Trust me, I actually lost a lot of money when I started. It is a business of chance, yeah, like probability. It's of luck. Like, some just have names you will never believe could sell, and they sell it for great amounts of dollars. Then skills, you need skills for this. Like, you need to keep learning skills. Actually, I think the skills you need is learning skills, to be able to learn, know what works and what doesn't, and so on. Then you have to be patient. you have to be, because some names actually get sold after 10 years. So you can keep a name for 10 years and no one is going to look at it. So you have to be patient. Then it is not a quick method to riches. Yeah, you can't get rich overnight with domain flipping. Believe me, you can't. It's not possible. Anybody telling you that is like they are lying to you. You can't get rich overnight with domain flipping. You might get lucky, who knows, but you can't get rich with it. So does it really work? Yes, it does. Oh yes, it does work. It starts working when you have learned the hang of it. You have learned the way it works, the model of the business, what moves, what shakes, what doesn't. It works then. After a lot of trials, like you might have gotten over 10 names, none get sold, so on and so forth. Like you try branded names, you try expired names, you try numbers, and so on and so forth. After a lot of time of being scammer, yeah, there's something in domain flipping that is called outbounding, like you selling your names yourself, aggressive marketing. Now I will teach you this. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel, so I'll be bringing you new videos on domain flipping and making money online. Just subscribe to this channel. Then when you are doing aggressive marketing, sometimes you market to a potential buyer, and most of them don't know what domain flipping means, or buying what a domain name actually means. And you tell them, see, I have this name for sale, this could actually help your business, and the next thing you hear is you're a scammer. Or when you send an email and you get, oh, you're a scammer, I'll report you, and stuff like that. So samples, let's move to the samples. Now I'm going to show, these are the samples of reported domain names. Sorry, yeah, I got this from NamePros. You buy, sell, discuss domain name. Now this thread was created, let me look for the dates. Okay, I've forgotten, there's a way you could actually get the date. This thread, okay, was started April 2005. Now I told you domain name actually started back before this. So here people actually record the sales they make per day, like the sales they make either in a day, in a month, and stuff like that. So be sure to check out NamePros. Now these are samples of name. I'm going to go to the last page of the thread. This is loveshare.com. This person actually sold this for $1,349 and he got it for $40. Then he held it for 6 months. So remember, I told you have to be patient, you have to have little cash to spare. And squadhelp.com, actually I will be giving you more on where to sell your domains, how to list it, and stuff like that. This person sold repeater.com for $500. No further listing. Yeah, this person actually sold this name for $2,495. He held it for a year, for more than a year. He registered it, then had one renewal. This person sold scopes.me for $120. He held it for 9 months, purchased for $3, and he sold it by Sido. So when you go through this thread, you see samples of names being sold. Names are being sold daily. Some don't even report their listing. Names are being sold daily. You go through this thread, you read. Yeah, some actually get sold their names for in 24 hours, some in 2 hours, depending on how they were able to market it. So 2 hours, 2 days, and 2 weeks, he got it for $1. Now this is a great return on investment, but I can't really say it's a great return on investment, because one, I don't know his portfolio. I don't know how many domains he has, so I can't really say much on his. But if I'm talking about this single domain, he actually made a great return on investment. So you go through them, see names being sold, 886 names being sold, crypto credit reports in King. In King means actually in .com. So you go through the thread. Now this is a nice sale. This person got this. The name is actually a one-word domain, so I believe it could actually sell more than this, but it's a great sale. It's a great sale. So you go through this and stuff like that. So I've showed you the samples. Yeah. Now, should I invest in it? Well, you should invest in it if only you are patient. You are the patient type, like you don't get down, you don't get sad when you don't make a sale after a month, after 2 months, after 3 months, after 4 months, after a year, and you have few cash, like extra, not your main money. When I mean extra money you are not making use of, do not make use of your main money for domain flipping. If you are looking for a side gig to actually invest in, then by all means do domain flipping. You can put in the effort it requires. Yeah, it requires a lot of effort, trials and error, and you can do that. Then by all means start domain flipping. You love trials and errors, you love testing out new things, you love adventures, look for it. Then lastly, the most important thing is you are not looking to get rich overnight. You just don't want to sleep now and wake up the next morning and you're a billionaire, you're a millionaire. No, please. If you are not that kind of person, please invest in businesses. You will always get your investment back. It doesn't matter how much you spend, how much you invest in it, you will always get your investment or your capital back. But it is always good to make sure you start with your spare money. Do not start it with, do not invest with your main money, your spare money. Then what people believe is 20% of your names get sold. You don't get to sell all your names, and you may get to sell all your names. Now, how can you get started? You can get started by subscribing to this channel for tips. You follow my journey. I haven't made that much, but I'll be giving you tips. I'll be showing you samples and lots more. You can read online. Just Google search domain name flipping business and so on. You go through the Name Pearls forum. This is the forum. You go through this forum, go to the home page. You go to the home page, you read. You can also list your domains here. You can buy domain. You can actually sell your domain names here, ask for advice and stuff like that here. Then you watch out for my videos on domain flipping business. I'll be posting videos every week on domain flipping business tips, vlogs, my journey, everything, documenting it. I also want to make more money from this. Then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Thank you.